For many, gone are the days when you had to pay a monthly fee for door and window sensors, along with motion detectors in your house. Imagine receiving a call from your security company while you're 2 hours away from home, only to discover later that a bird accidentally triggered the alarm by bumping into a window. Or picture yourself on the phone with your security company desperately trying to turn off the blaring alarm in the background, all because it went off mistakenly. If you're lying in bed at night and a window alarm goes off, what would you do? Hide under the bed? Even if you decide to investigate with a bat in hand, you never know what kind of situation you might encounter. Thankfully, there's a better solution. With today's advanced technology, ensuring home safety doesn't have to break the bank. Strategically placing a few motion detector lights around your property can effectively deter most intruders. If you're willing to invest a bit more, you can opt for lights with built-in cameras that sync with your phone. When motion is detected, your phone will instantly notify you, allowing you to view the live feed and even communicate with the intruder, no matter where you are in the world. For an added layer of security, you can consider purchasing a loud alarm that can be activated via a command on your phone. By deterring intruders as soon as they enter your property, you can keep your home secure. Alternatively, a simple solution could be installing a Ring doorbell. It monitors activity at your front door and enables you to communicate with visitors, even if you're in another city. In some cases, having one on your front and back doors might be all you need. I recommend spending some time exploring YouTube to discover more about these options and their competitors. Unfortunately, in today's world, regardless of where we live, safeguarding our families requires taking necessary precautions. Hopefully, these ideas have provided you with some inspiration.